A major drug bust. We conducted a raid. So on the night of 6th in Kerem area. So there was information, as you are all aware, that we had busted one pan-India network of LSD worth 1 crore rupees, one case last month. So taking information from that, we were planning. We got an information that there are possibilities of finding GHB drug in Goa. So the entire team was after that. So through our sources, technical surveillance, we were able to narrow down on a Russian DJ. She used to play in low parties, small parties. So in a raid we conducted, we found around 300 grams of GHB and around 30 plus grams of ganja at her residence. So we have seized that drug, we have arrested her, and we have gotten 2 days custody. So this is, and I will also like to tell you something about this GHB drug. The GHB is gamma hydroxybutyrate. It is locally known as liquid X or liquid ecstasy, and it is also called as date rape drug. So the primary purpose for this is that it is used to spike the drinks, and once it is given, the victim usually goes into semi-trance state, and whenever something has happened later on, when he or she gains consciousness, they don't know what has happened to them. So it is very much used in parties for that purpose. So there are other date rape drugs like roofies and ketamine also, but this is the first time ever in Goa that we have found GHB.